Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope all are fine with the shine. Today, let us learn division of integers and their properties. We all know that division is the inverse operation of multiplication. Here, we have 3 columns of 9 flowers in each row. So there are 9 into 3 equals to 27 flowers. From this multiplication statement, we can have 2 division statements. 27 divided by 3 equals to 9 and 27 divided by 9 equals to 3. Similarly, 4 into 3 is equal to 12 gives us 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3 and 12 divided by 3 gives us 4. So you see children, for each multiplication statement of whole numbers, there are 2 division statements. Write division statements for the following multiplication statements. First one, 2 into minus 6 equals to minus 12. Corresponding division statements are minus 12 divided by 2 equals to minus 6 and minus 12 divided by minus 6 equals to 2. Second one, minus 4 into 5 gives us minus 20. The corresponding division statements are minus 20 divided by minus 4 equals to 5 and minus 20 divided by 5 equals to minus 4. Third, minus 8 into minus 9 is equal to 72. The corresponding division statements are 72 divided by minus 8 is equal to minus 9 and 72 divided by minus 9 is equal to minus 8. Fourth, minus 10 into minus 5 is equal to 50. The corresponding division statements are 50 divided by minus 10 is equal to minus 5 and 50 divided by minus 5 is equal to minus 10. Remember these rules of division. Plus divided by plus is equal to plus. Minus divided by minus is equal to plus. Plus divided by minus is equal to minus. Minus divided by plus is equal to minus. Remember, when we divide a positive integer by a negative integer or a negative integer by a positive integer, we divide them as whole numbers and then put minus sign before the quotient. Divide the following. 72 divided by minus 8 is equal to minus 9 and 72 divided by minus 9 is equal to minus 8 and 50 divided by minus 10 is equal to minus 5. 50 divided by minus 5 is equal to minus 10. So we can say that when we divide a positive integer by a negative integer, we first divide them as whole numbers and then put a minus sign before the quotient. In general, for any two integers a and b with different signs, a divided by minus b is equal to minus a divided by b, where b is not equal to 0. Now let us divide further. Minus 12 divided by minus 6 gives us 2. Minus 20 divided by minus 4 gives us 5. Minus 32 divided by minus 8 gives us 4. Minus 45 divided by minus 9 gives us 5. So we can say that when we divide a negative integer by a negative integer, we first divide them as whole numbers and then put a positive sign. In general, for any two positive integers a and b, minus a divided by minus b is equal to a divided by b, where b is not equal to 0. Let us now learn the properties of division of integers. Closure under division of integers. Let us check if division of integers are closed under division or not. What do we get when we divide two integers? First, minus 8 divided by minus 4. We get 2. The quotient is an integer. Second, minus 4 divided by minus 8 is equal to minus 4 upon minus 8, that gives us half. The result is not an integer. Third, minus 8 divided by 3 is equal to minus 8 upon 3. The result is not an integer. Fourth, 3 divided by minus 8 is equal to minus 3 upon 8. The result is not an integer. Therefore, we conclude that integers are not closed under division. Now, we know that division is not commutative for whole numbers. Let us check for integers also. We can see from the table that minus 8 divided by minus 4 is not equal to minus 4 divided by minus 8. Second one, minus 9 divided by 3 gives us minus 3. But 3 divided by minus 9 gives us minus 1/3. Third one, is minus 30 divided by minus 6 the same as minus 6 divided by minus 30? No, they are not same. Therefore, we can say that division is not commutative for integers. Like whole numbers, any integer divided by 0 is meaningless, and 0 divided by an integer other than 0 is equal to 0. Example, 0 divided by 15 is equal to 0. 0 divided by 25 is equal to 0. So, for any integer a divided by 0 is not defined, but 0 divided by a is equal to 0, for a is not equal to 0. When we divide a whole number by 1, it gives the same whole number. Let us check whether it is true for negative integers also. Minus 8 divided by 1 is equal to minus 8. Minus 25 divided by 1 is equal to minus 25. Minus 14 divided by 1 equals to minus 14. Minus 37 divided by 1 equals to minus 37. Minus 13 divided by 1 equals to minus 13. Minus 48 divided by 1 equals to minus 48. This shows that negative integer divided by a positive 1 gives the same negative integer. Therefore, any integer divided by 1 gives the same integer. In general, for any integer a divided by 1 is equal to a. What happens when you divide any integer by minus 1? Let us say minus 8 divided by minus 1 gives us 8. Minus 25 divided by minus 1 gives us 25. Minus 14 divided by minus 1 gives us 14. Minus 37 divided by minus 1 is equal to 37. Minus 13 divided by minus 1 is equal to 13. Minus 48 divided by minus 1 is equal to 48. What do we observe? We can say that if any integer is divided by minus 1, it does not give the same integer. Now, can we say minus 16 divided by 4 in bracket divided by minus 2 is the same as minus 16 divided by 4 divided by minus 2 in bracket? Now let us see the first operation. Minus 16 divided by 4 in bracket divided by minus 2 equals to minus 4 divided by minus 2, which gives us 2. Let us see the second operation. Minus 16 divided by 4 divided by minus 2 in bracket gives us minus 16 divided by minus 2, which is equal to 8. Therefore, minus 16 divided by 4 in bracket divided by minus 2 is not equal to minus 16 divided by 4 divided by minus 2 in bracket. This shows that division is not associative for integers. Dear children, here we have completed the first chapter on integers. The main points of what we have discussed is given in page number 27 and 28. Learn those points. The solution for exercise 1.3 and 1.4 will be sent to you shortly. A little more effort and a little more practice will make you clever in mathematics. So, work out all the exercises in this chapter. Bye bye. Take care.